reaction video. If you're new to the channel and you haven't done it already, go down there and hit that subscribe button and join the family, baby. Join the family and turn a chance to win some money when I go live and I do luxury tokens. So don't miss your chance. Go down there and click that subscribe button. And while you're down there, click that notification button too, baby, so you know when I go live. Now, you guys, we are doing a morning version of the reaction video, so I'm in my pajamas. Everybody's still asleep, but I just really wanted to record, guys. I really wanted to record. So here we go. You guys ready for the next reaction video? All right, here we go.
Time I was gone, you had life ahead.
right, guys, now I kind of feel what we did. We got 2 songs in one. And it's crazy because when I picked the video, I did not know that. I didn't know it was 2 songs in one. So we got a double dip of Rush, baby. Yes. All right, guys, now first things first. I feel like the song is about Fly By Night. I feel like it's about somebody who's entering a new chapter in their life and they're leaving the old chapter behind. That's what it sounds like to me. And In the Mood, I think we all know what that's about. But yes, guys, if I'm right, go down below. Let me know if I'm right, guys. But it's just crazy. 1976 is when this Rush performance came out, you guys. And it's just, oh my gosh, they're so young, so raw. And it just still baffles my mind that they weren't as big as they are now when they first came out, because you would think they were, like, they were just so fresh, like, but it's just, but I have to say this for the people in the back, who do not care for Rush. If there's anything that you take from them, anything that you must respect from them, you have to respect that this band went from 1976 to now, and they still sound the same. They still sound the same. Like, oh my God, I love that. And you have to respect it. I know I said that before, guys, but you just have to respect the talent, because there's not a lot of bands like that, you guys. There's not a lot of just artists in general. People get on top and they get high, and they just don't last. Some people just don't last. So it's just that the fact that this band, they just sounded the same all the way until they stopped performing. It is just, oh my God, impeccable. Like, I love it. You gotta respect Rush. You gotta respect it. They are, I just love them. They're the best. Now, you guys, go down below. Tell me how you felt about this performance, you guys. Tell me. Give me some more songs. Give me the scoop. Let me know. Let your girl know if I'm right or wrong, guys. All right, guys. Love this band. I will never. Somebody asked me if I was ever gonna be through with Rush, you guys. Never. Sometimes I might, it might be like, I might do a Rush song and then I do a couple of other songs, guys, but don't worry, I'm always gonna come back to Rush. I'm always gonna come back to them. I love them. It's just, I got to throw other people, I got to throw other bands in there too. But yes, guys, love this band. If you're new to the family and you haven't done it already, go down there and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Don't be scared, join the family. When you join the family, you enter a chance to win some money, baby. Join the family. All right, guys, I love you guys. I hope you guys have a good, blessed week. Stay safe out there, guys, and until next time, peace.